The Ranger started off as a compact pickup truck, but when it was recently reintroduced by Ford, it has graduated up into the midsize category, making room for the smaller Maverick. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're talking about this 2019 Ranger. Let's dive in. This one features a range-topping Lariat trim, very nice on the inside, rugged on the outside with the FX4 Off-Road Package. We have a nice leather interior with contrast stitching. We have synthetic leather in the dashboard, nice contrasting colors. We have this glossy painted portion on the dashboard for really nice premium look, and over here into the center console. This one features navigation, rear parking camera, power and heated front seats, USB connectivity. This one features the trailer tow package. Ranger, even though it's a mid-size pickup truck, it does have a very impressive tow rating up to 7,500 pounds when properly equipped. That tow package helps get you there. This is also the four-wheel drive model with the FX4 Off-Road Package, which gives you additional off-road prowess with the help of a better off-road suspension, a little bit better underbody protection. We have a locking rear differential. This button here is to access different terrain modes. We have normal, we have gravel, and we have normal, we have grass, gravel, and snow, we have mud and ruts, and we have sand. This one's in really nice shape, a little over 50,000 miles, serviced and checked by our Ford certified techs. We have a copy of the original build sheet. There's a few other odds and ends on this one. This has the technology package, remote start. This lovely shade of hot pauper red metallic was a $395 premium color. Nice set of running boards, $695 for that, $495 for the tow package. The keyless entry keypads, $95. This one also has the chrome appearance package, $795 for that. And then the FX4 Off-Road Package with the electronic locking differential was $1,295. Lovely shade of red. This is in great shape inside and out, beautiful condition. There's those nice side steps. The chrome appearance packages obviously gives you chrome accents, including these really nice chrome wheels. Nice handsome front end styling, a big bright chrome grille. Nice projector headlights. Back in 2019, the sole power plant for the Ranger was a 2.3 liter four-cylinder engine. Very capable, 270 horsepower, a little over 300 pound-feet of torque, making this quick, very fuel efficient. That one is paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Being a four-door, back in 2019, you had the option of a shorter cab, longer bed, or longer bed, shorter cab. For 2025, they actually only have a four-door model available. They factored out that long cab. Most people want the four doors because they can also use these as family vehicles, use the back seats, so you have a little bit more better back seat space here. This has a 4.5 foot bed, pretty functional for a smaller bed. You have a bed liner. You get a tailgate extender and put the tailgate down to extend it for longer lengths if you want to haul like a motorcycle ATV, dimensional lumber. There's that tow package. Lots of ground clearance as well, especially with the FX4 Off-Road Package, giving you a little bit better off-road suspension. Great for going off the beaten path, exploring the great outdoors. This one's in really beautiful shape, beautiful color combination, low miles for the year, excellent condition. I don't expect this one to last very long. They never do. Thanks for watching. We are Scarff Ford. We've been in business over 100 years, serving the greater Seattle-Tacoma area, located in Auburn, Washington. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.